Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on quick tap shutter on your Android mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in order to do this, we need to go ahead to our Galaxy store and download an app called Camera Assistance. So this app is only available on Galaxy. So go ahead to your store. You want to download Camera Assistant, so go ahead and search it in your Galaxy store here. So tap on the magnifying glass, type in Camera Assistance. Here it is here. Now the first one is the one you want to download and install. As you can see, it's currently installed, so go ahead and click on Install here. Then once that has happened, open up your Camera Assistant. Now from here, scroll down. And then we got the option here, quick tap shutter. So what this does, it basically takes a picture as soon as you touch the shutter. An extra picture will also be taken when you swipe or hold the shutter. So if you want to enable that, just enable it like so.